Mwiriwe neza, nizere ko mumeze neza. Hanyuma tugiye gukomeza na unit ya gatandatu. Twashoje last time unit ya gatanu, nizere ko mwagerageje gukora end unit assessment. Ubu rero tugiye kuvuga kuri carbonyl compounds, ubwo ni n'ama aldehydes ndetse n'ama ketones. So, definition and nomenclature of carbonyl compounds. Definition, we will start with definition. Carbonyl compounds are compounds that contain carbon oxygen double bond. Nuvango compounds zirimo double bond ya carbon na oxygen tuzita carbonyl compounds. Hanyuma zifite two general categories based on the kind of chemistry they undergo. Nuvango zifite amakategori abiri bitewe n'ama-chemical reaction zigira cyangwa se na chemical behavior zigira. In one category there are aldehydes and ketones. Category ya mbere dufite ama aldehydes ndetse n'ama ketones. Hanyuma mu yindi category dufite carboxylic acids ndetse n'ama derivatives yayo cyangwa se n'ibiyikomokaho. Nuvango whenever bavuze ngo carbonyl compounds uzumva yuko ni compound yari yose irimo double bond ya carbon na oxygen. Hanyuma wumve ko harimo kategori ebyiri bitewe na kind of chemical reaction, aho kategori ya mbere ari aldehydes and ketones, hanyuma kategori ya kabiri akaba ari carboxylic acids ndetse n'ibiyikomokaho cyangwa se n'ama derivatives yayo. Hanyuma rero muri no chapter tugiye kureba ku ma aldehydes ndetse n'ama ketones. So aldehydes molecule. For aldehydes, the carbonyl group is attached to the hydrogen atom and alkyl group as shown in the molecule of propanol below. Nuvango muri aldehyde carbonyl group ibiri attaché kuri hydrogen ndetse na carbon na alkyl group. Nicyo kitwereka ko ari aldehyde. Urabona yuko hano dufite ya carbonyl group iri kuri alkyl group ndetse no kuri hydrogen. So you can see burya no kuvuga ngo uzajya umenya yuko ari aldehyde mu gihe dufite the alkyl group hanyuma ifasheho ya carbonyl group hakiyongeraho hydrogen. Hanyuma rero mu kuneminga buri gihe twongeraho R. Nuvuga ngo buri gihe tuzajya tubara ya alkyl group, tubare uko ireshya cyangwa se turebe uko ingana, tuvuge izina ryayo. Urabona hano ni carbon 1 2 3 ubwo hano ni propane, hanyuma twongereho R kugira ngo twerekane yuko ni aldehyde. Hanyuma if you are going to write this in condensed form, you write aldehydes as CHO. Don't write it as COH. Nuvango ni ugiye kwandika aldehyde mu buryo butari kwerekanamo ama bond cyangwa se mu buryo buri condensed, wandika CHO, ntago twandika COH. Yego. Hanyuma because that looks like alcohol, iyo wanditse COH nyine bita bimera nkaho ari alcohol uri kwandika. Niyo mpamvu rero ugomba kwandika CHO kugira ngo werekane yuko uriho uraneminga aldehyde. Noneho ketones zo zimeze gute? Kuma ketones, alkyl groups attached to the carbonyl group. Ruvango kuma ketone hahandi hari hydrogen ho nubundi haba hari indi alkyl group. Ruvango nama alkyl group abiri yatachinze kuri ki? Yatachinze ku yindi carbonyl group. Yatachinze kuri carbonyl group. Hanyuma ibindi byo no kubara number of carbons nta kindi, hanyuma ukaneminga. So you can see yuko hano dufite propanone, hanyuma on nyine nijyana na ketone. Hanyuma rero mu kuneminga byo nabivuze yuko twongeraho R kugira ngo tuvuge kugira ngo dusobanure twerekane ko ari aldehyde turi kuvuga, hanyuma twongeraho non cyangwa se on kugira ngo twerekane yuko ari ketones turi kuvuga. Hama rero reka turebe kuri isomerism. Ese ni isomerism iboneka hagati y'ama aldehydes ndetse n'ama ketones. Isomers are molecules that have same molecular formula but have a different arrangement of atoms in space. We already know about that. Functional group isomers are molecules that have same molecular formula but contain different functional groups and they belong to different homologous series of compounds. So rero ubwo hano ama functional group rero dufite functional group hano dufite ubwo dufite simply isomerism yo kuri functional group. Isomerism niyo isomerism mu magambo make iboneka hagati y'ama ketones ndetse n'ama aldehyde. So you can see that whenever na propanone na propanal wanditse chemical formula yayo ushobora kugira ngo ni same compound, ariko baramutse babishyize berekanye bonds urabona yuko ari intuza ebyiri zitandukanye. Ikindi rero uretse ko kuba harimo isomerism hagati y'ama ketones n'ama aldehydes, tunabona yuko still hari na ntuza hari na alkenes nazo ziba ama isomers ya zino compounds, cyangwa se alkene alcohols ziba ama isomers ya zino compounds ya aldehydes ndetse n'ama ketones. Hanyuma rero hari indi isomerism yo kuri position isomerism mu ma ketones. Mu ma ketones position isomerism ishobora kuba wagira carbonyl group kuri carbon wenda ya gatatu, cyangwa se ukagira carbonyl group kuri carbon ya kabiri. Mbega ruvango buri gihe wandika formule tuzabona yuko dufite number of carbon runaka ziri muri ketone, ariko nitwerekana aho carbon iri cyangwa se carbonyl group iri tugomba guspecifyinga position iriho. So rero zishobora kuba ku ma position atandukanye, ibyo rero bikazana positional isomerism hagati y'ama ketones. Hanyuma dufite icyitwa chain isomerism, the same number of carbons from different skeletons. Uvango dushobora kugira number of carbons zingana cyangwa se zimwe, ariko izo number of carbon zikaba ziratashe ahantu hatandukanye. Nuvango you can see hano dufite butanal hano dufite, urabona turi kuri terminal carbon niho hari carbonyl group, ariko hano dufite methyl propanol, hano hari chain, sorry hari substituent, hano hari substituent ya methyl, hanyuma tukagira longest chain ya propanol. So urabona rero ni methyl, tukavuga position iriho ubwo ni 2 methyl propanol, hanyuma ubwo rero tubona yuko harimo isomerism zose zifite carbon enye, ariko arrangement iratandukanye. Hanyuma tugiye ku maketone nayo you can see ko hano dufite pentane 2 on, urabona kuko iri kuri carbon ya kabiri, ariko hano dufite methyl butanone kuko hari substituent ifashe kuri main chain. Iyo rero niyo twita chain isomerism. Hanyuma physical properties of aldehydes and ketones. Ama physical properties y'ama aldehydes and ketones, na mbere turebe solubility mu mazi y'ama aldehydes ndetse n'ama ketones. Small molecules of aldehydes and ketones are soluble in water, but solubility decrease with increase with carbon chain. Biroroshye nuvango ama ketones n'ama aldehydes aba soluble mu mazi iyo zifite number of carbons ntoya, hanyuma uko number of carbons ziyongera niko solubility nayo igabanuka, cyangwa se kuba soluble mu mazi nabyo bikomeza kugorana. So methanol, ethanol and propanone, the common small aldehydes and ketones, are soluble in water in all proportions. Nuvango zo ziba soluble in water muri quantity yose wakoresha. Even though aldehydes and ketones don't form hydrogen bond with themselves, they can form hydrogen bond with water molecules. Hanyuma rero nubwo aldehydes and ketones yo atagira ama hydrogen bond mo hagati yayo, ariko iyo uzivanze n'amazi zita ziforminga a hydrogen bond. So the hydrogen bond turabizi yuko ni bond yariyo yose iri hagati ya hydrogen ndetse na highly electronegative molecule. Ubwo ni oxygen, ni chlorine, ni nitrogen, especially zeshatu: oxygen, chlorine na nitrogen, kuko turabizi ko na fluorine ko turabizi yuko arizo zifite high electronegative mu ma elements yose turi. So rero icyo nicyo twita rero hydrogen bond. Vango hydrogen bond is the bond between hydrogen and one of the high electronegative compounds cyangwa se elements. Amara reka twihute tuhite tujya kuri boiling points of aldehydes and ketones. Methanol is a gas and has boiling point of negative 21 degrees Celsius. Hanyuma and ethanol has a boiling point of plus 21 degrees Celsius. The other aldehydes and ketones are liquids and solids with boiling points rising with the rising molecular mass, hence the rising strength of van der Waals forces. Nuvuga ngo narababwiye ati buri gihe whenever bagiye kuvuga ku bya boiling points and what baba bashaka yuko tuvuga kuri intermolecular forces. Rero intermolecular forces harimo iziri common izo twita van der Waals forces ziboneka muri covalent compounds. So hano ubwo magambo make turabyumva aldehydes ndetse n'amaketones the boiling point increasing uko molecular mass increasing cyangwa se uko umubare w'amacarbons increasing na boiling point nayo increasing. Hanyuma comparison of physical properties of carbonyl compounds to those of alcohols and alkanes. Physical properties of covalent compounds depend on intermolecular forces. Ibyo byo rwose tujye dukomeza tubishyire mu mutwe. Ama physical properties agendera ku intermolecular forces. So hanyuma rero you can see compound have similar molecular mass but different intermolecular forces have different physical properties. Nuvuga ngo tugiye dukompara compounds zifite same number of carbons cyangwa se zifite size zenda kungana, hanyuma tukanakora tukagereranya n'ama physical properties yayo, kubera ko n'ubundi still the number of the kind of intermolecular forces ziba zitandukanye na physical properties zazo ziba ziri totally different. So alcohols have higher boiling point than aldehydes and ketones of similar lengths. Nuvuga ngo alcohol zigira boiling point iri hejuru cyane y'ama aldehydes ndetse n'ama ketones binganya umubare wa carbon. Nuvuga ngo na dufite ketones zifite carbon 5 na hydrogen ifite carbon 5 na aldehyde ifite carbon 5, alcohol nayo ikagira carbon 5, tuzasanga alcohol ifite boiling point izirusha zombi. Ibyo ni ingenzi mugomba kubifata kwa igihe mu kizamini baguhereza nk'ayo ma compound bakaguha ama alcohol bakaguha ama aldehydes ndetse n'ama ketones, hanyuma bakubwira ngo byaranje in order of increasing boiling point. So gurumva icyo gihe rero no guhera ku ma ketones n'ama aldehydes alcohol igahera. In the alcohol there is hydrogen bonding. Muri alcohol harimo hydrogen bonding kwako hagati hydrogen na oxygen bifitenye bond ako kanya iri direct but molecules, kandi twabonye ko hydrogen bond nyine ituma molecule iba strong cyangwa se igira strong bond nyine cyangwa strong intermolecular force. But the molecules of aldehydes and ketones don't form hydrogen bonds. Aldehydes and ketones are polar molecules, but the alkanes are non-polar molecules. Hanyuma rero twagiye kuri chemical properties of carbonyl compounds. Tugiye kureba kuri nucleophilic addition reactions. Nuvuga ngo ama reaction aba simply ama reaction aba muri carbonyl compounds ni nucleophilic. N'ubwoko bwa mbere ni nucleophilic addition reaction. By comparing carbon-carbon double bond and carbon-oxygen double bond, the only difference between carbon-carbon double bond and carbon-oxygen double bond is the distribution of electrons. The distribution of electrons in the pi bond is heavily attracted towards oxygen atom because oxygen atom is much more electronegative than carbon. Mu magambo make turabizi ko whenever dufite multiple bond cyangwa se double bond tuba dufite bond imwe iri pi bond indi kitwa sigma bond, hanyuma hanyuma hagati ya pi bond na sigma bond hanyuma ubwo ngubwo hano bari kutubwira yuko oxygen kwako iri highly electronegative forming a bond iri strong cyangwa se forming a bond iri strong cyane kurusha bond iri hagati ya carbon. So during rero chemical reactions nucleophiles turabyibuka yuko na ama negative species. Nuvuga ngo negatively charged species cyangwa ikintu cyose muri reaction kiri charged negative cyitwa nucleophilic. Ko nucleo bivuga nucleus, kandi turabizi yuko nucleus iba iri positively charged kwa ama protons, hanyuma philis cyangwa se fire bisobanuye love. Ubwo rero bivuze yuko it loves the nucleus. That means totally ni ikintu rero kiri negative kwa ko ikintu gikunda nucleus kigomba kuba kiri negative ko nucleus y'ubwayo iri positive. Will attack carbon of carbonyl functional group which bears a partial positive charge while electrophile ubwo electrophile nabyo bitabyumvikana igomba kuba iri strong, igomba kuba iri positive. Hanyuma will attack oxygen of the carbonyl function which bears a partial negative charge. So birumvikana uvango mu magambo make bond iri hagati ya carbon na oxygen ni iri polar, yes iri polar, ni polar bond, hanyuma ikaba iri partially positive kuri carbon, ikaba partially negative kuri oxygen. Hanyuma rero nucleophile ikiyadinga kuri nucleophile kuko twonye kuri negative, ikiyandinga kuri carbon kuko iri partially positive, hanyuma electrophile ikiyadinga kuri oxygen kubera yuko iri partially negative, kuko oxygen iri partially negative. Yeah. Hanyuma rero twatangiye tugiye gutangira reaction of hydrogen cyanide with aldehydes and ketones. Hydrogen cyanide adds to aldehydes and ketones. Mu make reaction zacu ni addition reaction, uvango ama molecules yo inside ari breaking down hanyuma yiyadinge kuri carbon kuri main compounds kwa dufite. So you can see hydrogen cyanide iri forming hydrogen irahita yiyadinga hydrogen kuko iri positive iriyadinga kuri oxygen, hanyuma cyanide iriyadinga kuri carbon, hanyuma tugire OH, hanyuma tugire CN. Hanyuma nitujya ku ketones still it's the same, hydrogen irajya kuri oxygen biduha hydroxyl group, hanyuma na CN ijye kuri carbon. Hanyuma rero iyo CN ihuye na carbon biduhereza nitrile, niyo naming nyine iri guturukamo hano ya nitrile. Hanyuma hydroxy nyine impamvu yitwa hydroxy no kuba kuri kubona yuko hajemo hydroxyl group. So urumva mu magambo make urabona nk'urugero ni CH, urabona n'ubundi bond like the longest chain dufite nino, ubwo dufite no longest chain, dufite chain ya carbon carbon carbon, hanyuma kuri no carbon ya kabiri dufiteho hydroxyl, ubwo ni 2 hydroxy, hanyuma kuri carbon ya kabiri n'ubundi tukagiraho methyl, yes kubera yuko urabona iri hano hasi, hanyuma iyi CN ni nitrile, hanyuma rero tukibuka yuko the longest chain ari gatatu, ubwo tukavuga yuko ari 2 hydroxy 2 methyl propane nitrile. So hanyuma the mechanism of the reaction ntabwo igoye, you can read about it kuko already twabisobanura, twabonye yuko still iri negative izaza kuri carbon, iri positive ize kuri oxygen. So muraza gusoma yuko muraza gusomamo muri note. Hanyuma there are examples of nucleophilic addition, nyine turabyita nucleophilic addition. Hama application of the reaction, ino reaction ikoreshwa cyane the OH group which behaves like ordinary alcohol can be replaced, dushobora kureplacinga n'andi substituent nka chlorine which can be turned to replace to give an other functional group, nk'urugero ikaduhereza amine. Hanyuma the CN group which can be hydrolyzed into carboxylic acid, iyi dushobora kuhinduramo carboxylic acid. You can see hano dushobora gufata iyi ya mbere tugateranyaho chlorine, urabona ya OH kavaho igasimburwa na chlorine, hanyuma twarangiza tukayikorera ino twashaka chlorine tukayihinduramo amine, hanyuma twashaka iyi ngiyi tukayikorera hydrolysis ikavamo carboxylic acid. Ikindi rero n'indi reaction ni reaction ya ketones ndetse na sodium hydrogen sulfate. Sodium hydrogen sulfate urumva yuko sodium iri positive charge, hydrogen sulfate igahinduka negative charge. You can see yuko H izajya kuri O, hanyuma ibindi bisigaye sodium and sulfate bisigare bijya kuri carbon. So hari condensation reactions, kwibukiranye yuko condensation reaction twabonye yuko it's any reaction iri butange water molecules, reaction iri butange water molecules tuyita condensation reaction. You can read about that one. Ndikugerageza kureba ko twakihuta ko dukeneye kwihuta. So the condensation reaction mu magambo make ndi kugira ngo dufocusinge hano. Condensation reaction izaba mu kureactinga dukoresha ubundi cyane icyo twita Brady's reagent, ariko aho ituruka nyine n'ubundi ni ya oxygen yo kuri carbonyl group ihura na hydrogen yo ku yindi compound, hanyuma akagangaka bikaduhereza water molecule. Any reaction itanga aka water molecule aba ari condensation reaction, sibyo? Hanyuma rero ino bond imaje kuba broken ihita ihuza zino compound zikihuza, ariko magambo make unakurikije icyo condensation icyari cyo urumva ni ukuhuza ibintu bibiri. Bivuga ngo condensation reaction turahuza two molecules ariko bize gusiga inyuma water molecules. So you can to continue. Hanyuma tufite oxidation reaction dukoresheje kimonocate cyangwa se ka potassium permanganate ndetse na potassium chromate. Hanyuma iri muri acidic medium niyo H+ niho iri guturuka. Then we can go with this one and difference in reactivity of ketones and aldehydes. By considering the structural formula of aldehydes and ketones, the difference is only in the presence of hydrogen and a hydrogen atom attached to the carbonyl functional group in the aldehyde, whereas ketones have alkyl group instead. Nuvango difference iri buboneka hagati y'ama ketones n'ama aldehyde no iriya hamwe hari alkyl group ahandi hari hydrogen. So nibyo rero niyo difference, as simple as that. So rero tugiye kureba iyo aldehydes tuzi reactinze n'ama potassium chromate tubona orange color, solution turns green. Niba solution yari orange it turning green. Hanyuma hano solution iyo ari ubu ino ni na test dukoresha mu gutandukanya niba ikintu kiri ketone ikindi kiri aldehyde. None dufata ketone hano yari hano kandi dufite orange color solution ntihinduke nyine ntabwo ihinduka. So hanyuma rero buri gihe oxidation tubyoroshye. Oxidation y'ama aldehydes iduhereza carboxylic acid, as simple as that. Oxidation y'ama aldehydes iduhereza carboxylic acid. Hanyuma izindi zo nizirenga niyo main compound. Hanyuma hari oxidation reaction dukoresheje Torrance reagent. Ubwo ni nayo tunakoresha nyine kugira ngo dutandukanye, ni nabyo batubwiye hejuru, nabyo dukoresha kugira ngo dutandukanye aldehydes n'ama ketones. Uvuga ngo bakoresha se ni ihe reaction dukoresha kugira ngo dutandukanye aldehydes na ketones. Tuvuga yuko dukoresha Torrance reagent. So the colorless solution produces a gray precipitate of silver or a silver mirror on the test tube. Colorless solution does not change, no reaction. Uvuga ngo muri ketones nta reaction iba, colorless solution iguma iri colorless, ariko iri ari aldehyde, colorless solution produces a gray precipitate of silver or a silver mirror on the test tube. Vango haboneka like a silver mirror kuri test tube iyo ari aldehyde. Hanyuma equation ya reaction dukoresha ni ingiyi, this is the Torrance reagent ibirimo silver, hanyuma iyi ni aldehyde, hanyuma with hydroxyl ions. Silver iraboneka, this one ino species nayo ikaboneka, tukabonamo na amine, hanyuma ammonia tukabonamo na water. Iyi rero silver mirror ibonetse ni ino silver yabaye produced. Hanyuma hari oxidation reaction dukoresheje Fellings or Benedict solution. Ndaza kubereka video nyine like bari kubikora kugira ngo mubibone. Difference in the activity of ketones and aldehydes with Fellings and Benedict solution. Iyo dukoresheje Fellings and Benedict solution, aldehydes mukomeze kubona yuko amaldehyde ara reacting ariko ketones ni reacting. It be producing a dark red precipitate of copper oxide. Hanyuma ketones iyo the blue color doesn't change, bivuze yuko the reaction doesn't occur. Muri reaction with Benedict and Fellings reagent there is no reaction with ketones. Rero reaction iba hagati ya aldehyde ni iyi ngiyi this is the aldehyde, hanyuma na copper ariyo nyine iri muri Phoenix solution muri complex with OH, hanyuma we get this one, hanyuma ikintu twobservinga ni iki ngiki, twobservinga copper 1 oxide, sibyo? niyo tubona nyine, niyo tubona iri dark red precipitate, yego. Hanyuma dufite ideoform reaction with aldehydes and ketones. No reaction y'ikitwa ideoform n'ama ketones biduhereza iki? Sorry. Reaction of ideoform test. The reagents of ideoform test 1 and the reaction takes place in two main steps. 3 hydroxides OH remove 3 hydrogens from methyl group of the place. The place of hydrogen is taken by iodide. Nuvango zino carbon zose zari zigize ino carbon, zino hydrogen zose zisengurutse ino carbon zita zisimburwa na iodine. Hanyuma ino urabona yuko zasimbuye ino iodine. Hanyuma step ikurikira, iyi carbon ion 3 group is a good living group, mvango ni group shobora kuvaho byoroshye, is replaced by OH to form carboxylic acid. Ubwo rero tubona yuko this bond iri hano itiba broken, hanyuma yamara kuba broken ino C what igasigira H kugira ngo byuzure carbon enye nandi zigire bond enye zizengurutse, hanyuma this R igaforminga ino R ikihuza na oxygen bigaforminga hydroxyl group. Noneho the overall equation ni nka gutya imeze, you can see in the overall equation carbon this one the R 3I3 bikaduhereza CH carboxyl group, iodine ion and water. The same reaction takes place for other hydrogen elements in the same way. The general equation is given below. Ruvango bino byose nubundi biba mu zindi elements zose, sibyo? Biba mu zindi hydrogens zose, chlorine byakunda, fluorine byakunda, bromine byakunda. When methyl ketones and methyl aldehydes ethanol are treated with the hydrogen element in basic solution, hydrogens of the methyl group are replaced by hydrogen element followed by cleavage of the methyl group. The products are the salt of the carboxyl and 3-halomethane. The reaction is fast until the 3 hydrogens at the methyl group have been replaced by a halogen. Reaction irakomeza ikaba mpaka hari ahantu hose haba replaced by a halogen. Hanyuma preparation methods of aldehydes and ketones. Icyambere ni gute dushobora gupreparinga aldehydes n'ama ketones. Ikintu cyambere ni oxidation y'ama alcohol. Nuvango ni ukora oxidation ya primary alcohol bizaduhereza aldehyde, no ukora oxidation ya secondary alcohol bizaguhereza ketone, ariko tertiary alcohol nta reaction iri bube. Nuvango rero iyo oxidation ni ukureactinga na potassium chromate iri muri acidic form. Hanyuma these are the techniques of stopping the oxidation. You can read about it. Cyambere ni ukumenya formula. Hanyuma ikindi ushobora gukora oxidation y'ama alkene. Oxidation y'ama alkene iduhereza ketones, as simple as that. Oxidation y'ama alkene iduhereza ketones. Hanyuma in oxygen babashyize muri zino brackets no kwerekana yuko ni oxygen yabonetse turutse muri process ya oxidation. Hanyuma uses of aldehydes and ketones. There are many uses of aldehydes and ketones mu gukora amaplastike, mu gukora ziba no mu mubiri w'umuntu, ziba mu hormone n'ibindi bitandukanye. And that is the end unit assessment. Tuyinyuzemo byihuse just kugira ngo tugire the general idea. Ndaza kubehereza supporting video. Ndifuza yuko zino chapitre zo kuri organique tuzirangiza hanyuma tugakomeza n'andi masomo. Thank you so much, thanks for joining in today muri no somo ry'uno munsi, mwakoze cyane.